The first two waterfalls you're going to see, King Creek Falls and Fall Creek Falls, is a big disappointment. There's not much water in the runoff, and they were just trickles. But oh man, when you get down to that Rock Island Twin Falls, that's got some water in it. That is flowing. Then we'll go to Burgess Falls. I'll talk about it later. Well, this is King Creek Falls. It's kind of disappointing. The water's low. And they got all this vegetation in the way. They need to get a weed eater down here. King Creek Falls. Approaching Fall Creek Falls. They told me at the Nature Center, this is the largest, tallest waterfall east of the Mississippi. We'll have to look at this. If I sounded winded, I am. Well, it's not there. Here's water over here. Oh man. Ooh. That is quite a drop. Looks like over eons of time it's eating away at the rock. Move over here a little bit. Now, on video you're probably not seeing much. Let me zoom in here. There it is. It starts up there. And I bet if they had a good water supply right now, it would really be falling. Oh no. And it falls all the way down there. And like I said, it looks like over time, you see that ring? Crescent looking rock. Looks like that may have been where it started, and then it just ate away. It'd be nice to see it when there was a good flow coming on it. 280 feet. That's a long way. What, almost 30-story building? Wow, this is what I came to see. First waterfall I visited on this trip that actually had a lot of water flowing over it. My oh my oh my. Is that beautiful or what? I'm impressed. Like I said, this is water flowing over. Those others are just trickles. Oh, listen to that sound. I was taking a video of that, and then I took a photo, and then I realized I had missed something. Get some perspective. I can do that. There's people down there. Now you can get some idea of how big the fall is. Burgess Falls State Park is not just a single waterfall, it's a lot of waterfalls. And to see them all, you hike along this trail that sometimes goes down and sometimes goes up and sometimes is skinny. But the really good part is it's got an excellent sturdy handrail, which I use from start to finish. It's beautiful. A lot of water, a lot of waterfalls. Wish that bridge was still intact. Get a better view. Cable from the suspension bridge. A tree root grew right through it, surrounded it. Tight right through there. Elevation change here. There's a fallen old soldier. Wonder how many years it's been here. I wonder what led to its demise. Ain't no telling. A teeny tiny waterfall. Very teeny tiny waterfall. Lordy, Lordy, Miss Claudie. What have I got myself into? I can do it, I can do it, I can do it. Lost count of how many falls this is. Bunch. came down this trail, and somehow people came up this trail. I don't know how they got down there. This is a big waterfall. It ain't no pukey waterfall. That's the sign I've been looking for a while now. Road returns to parking lot. Video really doesn't show you up and down. That's very, very steep. Like climbing stairs. Or worse. Right in the middle of the stream, that suspension bridge that carries the plume that the sign talking about. Here's the split in the trail. We go to the left. Okay, this will be the first viewing point. Ooh, the sun is bright. Let's see what we got here. It's cut through a lot of rock over the yonds of time. Oh, there's people down there. See the people? I see the people. Oh, look at them. Just in case you're wondering, I will not be filming down there. Looking from afar is fine for me. Okay, the old man bummed a ride with a foreign stranger. Back to the parking lot, I'm done. These old legs are wobbly. Nice fella. Not too big to even get in the back of this tailgate, but he found it's like a 6x6 piece of timber. It was just enough. Oh, this sure beats that hiking. Was not looking forward to that trail going back. This is very nice. These people in Tennessee state parks have been so kind. Right across a few bumps there. And we've arrived. Thank you, sir. Thank you, thank you, thank you.